In this test, we're going to use the Fluke 754 Documenting Calibrator to document and test the performance of a temperature switch. This switch, we will be simulating a thermocouple to its input while measuring for the contacts to change state on its output with continuity measurement. To perform the test, we first want to measure resistance for checking the continuity of our contacts. And then we would toggle to source. And we would source temperature, so thermocouple, type K, and type an input temperature value. To perform the documented test, we select Measure Source to get to the split screen, then select As Found. And we would perform a one-point switch test. We define the set point as being 20 degrees, and below 20 degrees the contacts are shorted. We then type in the rest of the test tolerance of 1 degree, minimum deadband of 1 degree, maximum deadband of 3 degrees, and we're going to trip on continuity as the switch opens and closes its test. We select Auto Test and continue, and the calibrator will source the temperature back and forth across the set point, and will narrow its temperature swing until it has a good identification. Once it's done finding the set point, it will then go back and redefine the reset point accurately and give us our test summary. Post-test summary, you can see the recorded set point, the found error from the set point, the reset point, the size of the deadband, and since the set point error and deadband errors are in forward video, that indicates that they meet the test tolerances and passes. That's how you test a temperature switch using the Fluke 754 Documenting Process Calibrator.